unless you've been under a rock, Google and Microsoft is in a battle for the AI situation right now. So Microsoft owns Bing. That's their search engine, just in case you guys didn't know. And they are partnered with OpenAI, which which is the company that owns ChatGPT. They're partnered with them, and they're going to integrate ChatGPT into Bing, which is owned by Microsoft. Up here, you can see Chat. It's not fully released yet. As you can see, there's a waiting list. But this is where you'll be able to interact with the AI. OpenAI.com, you can go there and actually use the AI. It's called ChatGPT, and it's gonna be released whenever they release the new Bing, as you can see here. But I think people are overlooking something. Right now, it's a battle of search engines. But I think it's gonna go beyond that really soon, because Microsoft isn't just integrating ChatGPT or the capabilities of ChatGPT into their search engine. They're actually going to integrate it into their browser. This is the Microsoft Edge. They're going to integrate it into their browser, so you'll be able to use the AI on essentially any web page you go on, versus just it being a search engine. That's way more powerful. So I think that Google will have to fire back basically and add their AI to their actual browser, which is Chrome. Google owns Chrome. So it's going to go from being just a battle of search engines to a battle of browsers. And I think eventually it will get to operating systems. That's where I think it will get to. I think Microsoft will integrate ChatGPT capability into their actual software that runs Windows computers, their operating system, which Apple is going to have to respond to that, because this is what Apple do. They have MacBooks, and other Apple products, and whatever you can basically do on a MacBook, you can do on the iPhone and iPad. So that's going to be interesting to see what happened in that regard. The AI is so powerful that you think that you're talking to an actual person, but you're just searching the internet. AI gives you the capability of creating. When you go to google.com, you can't really create anything. You can just search and links pop up, But with AI integrated into it, you can actually create, you can create an image like Dolly from OpenAI. You can just create an image out of other images, or you can create an image from text. So the capabilities is so advanced that it's going to be hard for other competitors to ignore what's going on right now. I think Apple is going to also have to get into the AI game if they're not already in it. They have to, because I don't think Microsoft is just going to stop at a web browser. I think they're going to actually integrate it into the actual operating system, and that will completely change the game, because you possibly could get this AI to create programs for you. It can already code, so it can probably create a program for you without you having to actually do anything but just type create program and the type of program that you want, and a little bit more descriptive. I think that AI can actually do that. From what I saw from ChatGPT and creating pictures from words, that's already amazing. I think it's gonna go a step further to create videos. A year ago, I wasn't even thinking about typing text to create an image. So just imagine typing text to create a video. It has access to the web. It has access to billions. I don't know if it's trillions. It could be trillions, but I'm going to be safe and say billions of videos. So just imagine it editing a video for you. Or you probably won't even need to even touch your mouse, because you could just talk and it could hear what you say and then just do it. Now you have to type, but I'm pretty sure you can get around that right now. Because you can actually say something and let the computer type it. But I think they'll just actually integrate that feature into it, where you can just talk and the words will show up on screen. The AI will be able to interpret it. I don't think I'm saying that word right. And essentially do what you wanted to do. I think it's going to go, like I said, way beyond just search engines. It's going to go into the actual operating system, and Apple will have to get involved at that point.